So what's up guys, and welcome back to OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm gonna be revealing to you a strategy and 3 cheap paid traffic platforms which you can take advantage of, and if you do follow this exact strategy for about a week, you'll be able to get outstanding results right now from your CPA marketing product. So make sure you do watch this video to the end. Make sure you do sit back and actually learn this exact same strategy and actually start applying this strategy, which can actually help you earn some money in passive income with CPA marketing. With that being said, let's just simply jump right ahead and cut to the chase of this particular video. So first of all guys, you want to get a CPA marketing platform which you want to just simply register for. You could use CPA grip right here, click on register. You'll be brought to this page, simply go to filling out this form, and make sure you take out much of your time to fill out this form appropriately, agree to the terms of services, and actually do click on register now, and your account should be created almost immediately. You then want to just simply log into your account and go on to selecting a CPA offer to promote. Right now guys, I'm just going to go into the offer tools section and my offers, and I'm just going to select a top tier country such as the United States to select offers from. And if I do select that particular demographic, as you can see guys, I'm being shown offers to that demographic right now. You could just simply scroll through. As you can see, the offers are quite numerous right here. You could select any one of these offers to start promoting right now. Supposing I want to promote this offer right now, all you have to do is to click on that offer and you'll be shown details to the offer. So guys, as you can see right here, these are actually some details about this offer. That is actually an Apple iOS offer, also a mobile install offer, and here's the payout to this offer right here. Also, this is your unique affiliate link which you can use to promote this offer. So what you want to do right now is to start promoting this offer, and the first out of those 3 cheap traffic platforms which you want to take advantage of, or cheap paid traffic platforms which you want to take advantage of right now, is this platform right here, which is called the Duo Ad right here. And you can see right now this platform, to head on to this platform, is called the doa.ad, which is doa.ad. and if you do head on to this platform, you just want to make sure you do come right here, click on register, and you can actually go on to sign up for free for this particular platform. It's actually amazing right now. Just simply go on to signing up for free, and you can actually see more details about this platform right now. Once you do sign up and log into your account guys, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. As you can see right now, I could just simply go on to hovering around this campaign section right here, and I can actually do select a type of campaign which I want to run right here on this particular platform. If I want to use a push or a pop under ad, I'm going to select this. If I want to use a push notification, if I want to use a push in page right here, or the video ad or the native ad, I can actually select any one of those options right now. So supposing I do go on to selecting the push notification right here, as you can see right now, this is my balance. I just simply have to go on to funding this particular account right here, and I can just simply go on to starting my campaign on this particular platform by clicking on create campaign, and just simply follow the necessary procedures to promote my ad on this particular platform. And in promoting my ad, I'm actually going to be promoting that CPA marketing offer which I did select. So guys, like I said, this is actually a cheap paid traffic website which you could take advantage of, as you do get about 2,000 visits for just $1 right here using this platform. That's quite amazing right now, and with CPA marketing, it's all about the numbers game. So you want to just simply make sure you try as much as possible to get as many individuals to click on your link, and this is a very cool platform which you could take advantage of right now. Like I said, come right here, register for this platform, absolutely free to register. But you don't want to just simply go into funding your account, and you just want to make sure you do go on to clicking on create campaign and actually do promote your CPA marketing offer using this platform. And guys, you don't need to actually go on to creating a landing page. You could just simply head on to this platform called tinyurl.com to actually go on to shortening that particular URL for your CPA marketing offer, and then head on to this platform and promote that using this platform. So moving on to the second platform right now, or the second cheap paid traffic website, and that particular website is called the push.house. As you can see, the domain right here called the push.house. And this is actually an advertising network which you could also take advantage of right now, and you can just simply promote ads for absolutely free. As you can see, you could use the iOS push right here, the in-page push, the push notification, or the native push notification right here to actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer or your ads for free, or not absolutely for free, but you're just going to go on to paying a little amount with this particular platform. And if you do scroll through, guys, to check out this network volume, you can actually see the amount of people that are actually clicking from each respective country each and every single day. As you can see right now, yesterday, this is the amount of clicks that were actually gotten from countries like India, Brazil, Russia, Peru, United States, and Morocco, and a lot more other countries right there. As you can see, the amount of clicks we did get yesterday is actually yesterday's clicks. As you can see, these are also yesterday's clicks right here. So you can actually go on to checking out the maximum price right here for some offers right here, which you do get, and you can see the United States is actually getting about 0.6. You could take advantage of that right now, promote offers to the United States, or you could promote offers from CPA marketing or CPA grip to any country of your choice. You could, not necessary that you do go on to promoting offers to the United States. You could promote to any other country right there, and actually try as much as possible to use this platform to actually get across to a lot of people and actually make some cool passive income with the help of this particular cheap paid traffic website. So the third platform right here is this platform, which is called the freeadstime.org. And I'm going to repeat that again. It's called the freeadstime.org. And if you head onto this platform, you could just simply go on to posting your ad right here, and you just want to make sure you do follow this particular procedure right here to post your ad for absolutely free on this platform. Right here on this platform, you could post ad for free. Select the location which you want to promote your ad to. Right now, I selected the United States. You want to just simply select a location or a state right there, and a particular location in that particular state or city which you want to promote that offer to. And right now, guys, you can see I've selected that right now. You want to select the category of that offer. As you can see, categories ranges from items to jobs, services, vehicles, pets, real estate, and a lot more other categories right here. You just want to make sure you do go on to checking out each and every category right now. And if you do go on to selecting a random one right there, because now I do select a random category right now. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm brought to this page right here where you just simply have to follow the necessary procedure to actually posting your ad for free on this particular platform right now. So basically, you can see that these are actually cool and amazing strategies which you can actually take advantage of to promote your CPA marketing offers, guys. And that is for now. I hope this video was actually helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell are always turned on all, because guys, I usually post video every single day on how to make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, or other online platforms right there. So make sure you do go on to registering on for this particular channel by subscribing right there, and should be notified whenever I do release a new video that could help you make extra income online. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.